Alright, first graders, here we go. We're going to tap out the words. I want you guys to tap them with me. Here we go. Yes. Yes. B. Bet. B. Egg. Beg. Let. Alright, I need your help. Help me fill in these words. Web. Web. So I put a W, E, B, 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 B. Okay, we have 10. T, T. What letter goes there? T, E, and then N, 10. Okay, we have hen. Hen. We put H, E, N. Hen. Okay, there's a jet. 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 So put a J, E, and then a T. Jet. Good job. Alright, once you guys are safe, spell stay with me. Are you ready? Leg. L-E-G. Leg. Let's use our hands. Ready? Beg. B-E-G. Beg. Men. M-E-N. Men. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Do you guys hear the rhyming words? Men and hen? Alright, so the next one. Head. H-E-A-D. Head. This one, bread. B-R-E-A-D. Oh, that one I touched my toes. Bread. Okay, this one, grass. G-R-A-S-S. Grass. Spin. S-P-I-N. Spin. There. T-H-E-R-E. There. Last word. Again. A-G-A-I-N. Again. Alright, let's read our sight words. I want you to read them with me. Again. Again. Help. Help. New. New. There. There. Use. Use. Okay, pause the video and practice reading these sight words. Alright, we have to fill them in. The hat is blank. The hat is again. The hat is there. The hat is help. Or the hat is use. The hat is new. If you said new, you're right. Okay, Ken will blank me. Ken will again me. Ken will there me. Ken will help me. Or Ken will use me. Which word makes sense? If you said help, you're right. Ken will help me. Alright, so we have again, there, and use left. Read the sentences with me. Here we go. My cat is up. Again. My cat is up there. Or my cat is up use. If you said there, you're correct. My cat is up there. We can blank this. We can blank this. Again. Or use. We can use this. That's right. Ned will try again. Again was our last word. Good job.